Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how the Justlife mobile app works and whether it's worth using for booking home services across the UAE and Saudi Arabia. Justlife is a home service app that lets users schedule a wide range of services including home cleaning, salon and spa at home, pest control, AC maintenance, laundry pickup, car wash, home healthcare, and disinfection. It's available in major cities like Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah, Riyadh, and Jeddah. The app is designed for quick booking and promises top-rated professionals with same-day service availability. One of the main strengths of Justlife is its large variety of services all in one place. The app interface is clean and makes it easy to book, reschedule, or rebook services. Customers often mention the convenience and how fast they can match with professionals. Many providers listed have high ratings, and payments are processed securely through the app. However, the experience can vary. Some users report inconsistent cleaning quality, last-minute cancellations, or unprofessional behavior from certain providers. There are also complaints about broken or missing items during appointments and difficulties when trying to get help from customer support. Response times can be slow, and issues are not always resolved to the customer's satisfaction. Overall, Justlife is a powerful tool for quick access to home services, especially if you live in a supported city. It offers convenience and speed, but you should read provider reviews carefully and be prepared for occasional inconsistencies. If you've used Justlife before, let us know your experience in the comments. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or other inquiries, refer to the description for email.